Hey guys, we went to Jadhavgadh from Pune for a day outing few days back. In today's vlog, we will bring to you a cinematic compilation of that. We were greeted with the sounds of trumpet at entry.
Fort Jadavgarh is the only heritage hotel in Maharashtra which is just about 22 kilometers from Pune. It is a 18th century fort which was built by Sri Pillaji Jadhavraois, a Maratha general. Spread over 25 acres, Fort Jadavgarh has various stay options and has in-house restaurants as well. You can opt for a guided audio tour which will take you to the inner courtyard, the rooftop poolside spa which was once used as a water reservoir for the fort. If you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel. Enjoy some poolside spa to relax in, or you can go for some rifle shooting or archery, or you can enjoy some bullock cart ride here.
Enjoy the panoramic view of the surrounding and walk through the lush green gardens and soak into the sweet fragrance of Firangi Bani.
The gardens make way towards the Ganesh temple situated in the fort premises. You can choose to stay here to experience the royal vibe, or you can go for a day visit as we did here. You can opt for a guided audio tour which will cost you Rs 500 per person. You can even indulge in the various dining options which is provided by 4 in-house restaurants. Fort Jadhavgadh is a one-of-a-kind hotel which has an in-house museum dedicated to the mothers, affectionately known as the Eye Museum.